By May 19, Toncoin could climb 3.1%, according to Gulf Capital Collector. First, here's a glimpse of the recent price direction. Today's update shows Toncoin up 0.9%, with a price around $1.96. Here come 5 views from analysts. The asset could slide to $1.91 by May 19, Crypto Predictions suggests, marking a reduction of 2.2%. Toncoin is expected to reach $1.93 per coin codex, marking a fall of around 0.9%. Coin price forecast notes it may advance to $1.97, roughly 0.9% more than the current price. Another analysis from Gulf Capital Collector highlights Toncoin could move upward toward $2.01, roughly 3.1% higher. And to end, CoinLore expects $2.30 by tomorrow with a 17.8% increase. That makes this the top return forecast we've evaluated. All 5 forecasts are in. Let's go further into the picture. Summarizing all analyst predictions, here's the picture. The shared data from these forecasts suggests the market could move from a drop of 2.2% to a gain of 17.8%, depending on the analyst. It appears CoinLore ends up with the highest projected return, with 17.8% increase in value by May 19. In short, you could pocket between $9 and $178 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, CoinCodex's forecast is the most reliable, with a 99% chance of success. By putting all the forecasts side by side, I've drawn up a consensus view. Consensus outlook sees Toncoin advancing nearly 3.7% from current price. Here's what it looks like up close. The consensus estimate indicates a 3.7% rise in price given the latest forecasts. In straightforward terms, your capital might climb by the same 3.7% tied to that outcome. For every 1,000 placed into the position, the forecast could mean around $37 added. And in practical terms, this consensus forecast carries a likelihood of 96.2%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecast before moving on. According to Crypto Predictions, Toncoin is set to slip. An upward path is anticipated by CoinCodex. According to coin price forecast, the short-term direction also points upward. A bearish forecast is made by Gulf Capital Collector, expecting losses. Upside potential is noted by CoinLore, who stays optimistic. The consensus view shows Toncoin gaining ground during this 3-day period. Altogether, 60% of forecasts suggest Toncoin could move higher. 2 days back, 5 sites posted forecasts for tomorrow. That tomorrow has already passed, so let's review the results. Ultimately, the result was a close at $1.92. With this outcome, only one analyst had the direction correct. Accuracy-wise, coin price forecast provided the tightest prediction. Let's go deeper into how it played out. In this case, 2 forecasts landed inside yesterday's move. Speaking of ROI, some results were in profit, and the strongest gain reached 3%. Now appearing on screen is the full results overview. All forecasts fact-checked. For reference, CoinLore posted a forecast probability of 0%, $0.55 accuracy, and 0.2% ROI. Look closely. Who do you think gave the strongest forecast? Here's a quick visual of tomorrow's forecasted returns, showing Toncoin compared with the rest of the market. Toncoin tops the profitability ranking with 3.7% forecasted return. For now, we're comparing Toncoin with 4 randomly picked cryptocurrencies. More forecasts and useful tools are already available on my website. If you found this Toncoin summary helpful, drop a like so I can keep improving these updates. Talk to you in the next data review.